Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to mark an email as read or unread on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. That's okay. So now let's navigate within Inbox. Click on Inbox. Locate an email. We can see that this email has already been read, and now let's navigate to the top of the application where it says mark as unread. If I were to click on this, that email now has been marked as unread. Let's go to another email. Let's now go back to that email that was changed from unread to read. We have now clicked on this. We have now read the email. If we click off, as you can see, that itself has been read. We will then have to unread that email. Click on an email that has been read again. Mark as unread. Mark as read. We can now see that we have changed from read to unread to read to unread. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.